is inexorable as the winter, as ruthless as the bitter frost, as certain as death. The Valhallans fight only for victory and the Emperor. All else is but a prelude. The Valhallan Ice Warriors are a regiment of the Astra Militarum serving during the 41st millennium. Hailing from the frozen world of Valhalla, located within the Segmentum Ultima, these much-gloried and staunch defenders of the Imperium are regarded far and wide for their many victories against the Orc Xenos. Once a bountiful paradise world, Valhalla's fortune soured as its vast forests and rolling plains turned to ash with the impact of a rogue comet upon its surface. Breaking the comet into pieces using their defense laser array, such efforts succeeded only insofar as preventing the wholesale destruction of their world, as the comet's composition of pure iron nullified much of their firepower. With the collision of a mile-wide fragment of the comet hurling into the northern continent of the planet, the damage made to Valhalla shifted its orbit further from its sun, causing its ravaged ecosystem to suffer. For 10,000 years, the planet changed into a bitterly frigid death world. Its reduced warmth and light provided from its sun, transforming its environment and people. Famine cast its shadow upon the Valhallans, their meager subterranean caverns, offering few geothermal shelters, forging them into hardy souls capable of enduring the harshness of the cold. Harried in the wake of their misfortune by the Greenskins, the Valhallans repelled countless raiding efforts, building underground hive cities as they attempted to salvage their homeworld from the clutches of extinction. The people of Valhalla fought with ice-boring machinery and their remaining Promethean weaponry. Refusing to yield, even in the face of bleak circumstance, their first act of reprisal against the Orcs cemented the Valhallans' reputation as a dour yet indomitable regiment of the Astra Militarum as they cleansed their home system of the Xenos presence. Impressed with the resourcefulness and sheer, unfaltering willpower of the Valhallans, the Departamento Munitorum raised the people of this barren world as a primary recruitment world of the Imperial Guard. Stubborn beyond measure and stoic in the face of adversity, the Valhallan Ice Warriors do not balk at the hardships they face and seek only to fight with valor in the name of the Emperor. Their underground hives impoverished and overcrowded, many a pious soul seeks recruitment into the Guard in order to escape the endless cycle of malnutrition and toil. Surviving off nutrient slime cultivated from their cavern walls, even corpse starch is a meal fit for a king in the eyes of many of these rugged warriors. The pettiest of crimes are sentenced with death, the citizens of Valhalla not taking kindly to actions which endanger their people's survival, and as such, many a recruit sent to join the Astra Militarum act as honest, if not uncultured soldiers. Renowned far and wide for their many campaigns fought in the name of the Imperium, many Guard officers and generals of varying cultural origins respect and even admire the Valhallan Ice Warriors as among the most reliable and uncompromising soldiers of the Imperium. Capitalizing on their deep hatred of the Greenskins, the Valhallans are arguably the most elite orc hunters within the ranks of the Astra Militarum, for their boundless hatred and dogged refusal to retreat from such foes bolsters their resolve. Honored for their service during the defense of Coronea, Eastlight Nebula Wars, Siege of Kotrax, Defense of Makan, and Abaddon the Despoiler's 13th Black Crusade, their current deployment to the Spinward Forward campaign has further cemented their reputation as defiant paragons of the Imperium. Their homeworld once more besieged during the days of blinding following the birth of the Great Rift across the stars, not even the pawns of the ruinous powers could break their tenacious spirit. Trained to fight in densely packed battle lines supported by artillery barrages and waves of infantry advances, their unflinching courage is bolstered by attachments of Adeptus Ministorum priests, proclaiming the blessings of the Emperor. Holding ground which other regiments would prove incapable of securing, the obstinacy of the Ice Warriors is legendary throughout the ranks of the Astra Militarum. taking little thought for self-preservation. The blunt yet effective forward marches of maneuvers conducted by heroes of the regiment, such as the ruthless commander Kubrichenkov, exemplify their headstrong nature. Equipped with firmly insulated greatcoats, helmets, and Arctic clothing, each Ice Warrior is expected to carry every necessary means of survival on their person at all times. Equipped with M36 lasguns of various patterns and design configurations, these ubiquitous models of firearm are treated to survive the harshness of freezing environments to prevent malfunction or misfires. Employing a variety of support weapons such as missile launchers, autocannons, mortars, heavy bolters, melter guns, and marksman rifles, the only true constant for the regiment is their willingness to hurl themselves into the proverbial meat grinder of war. Supported by armored vehicles painted with winter camouflage designs, every tank in their arsenal bears the name of their homeworld with pride as they charge into the heart of enemy positions. Masters of attritional warfare, no matter the cost of victory, these dedicated scions of the Imperium shall not relent in driving back the endless hordes that oppose humanity. For as long as a single Valhallan Ice Warrior stands, they shall not abandon their position, nor falter in the face of overwhelming odds.